Hi there, nice to see you. We're back with another core values video. If you haven't seen our first video about caring in the workplace, check it out in the link below. We're so happy today to be talking to you about innovation. Let's be honest, it can get busy at a growing trades company. Every day our employees are striving to be their best. And how do they do that, you might ask? Let's hear from our employees about how they incorporate efficiency and innovation into their everyday lives.
Innovation to me means having a problem and then trying to find maybe a new way to come about it. You may think that you need to come at it straight, and maybe you need to find a way to come around it and come from a different direction.
I love that.
Means finding a solution to something that may not necessarily be the normal. It can be thinking outside the box, coming out with something that can solve more precise, adequately, and able to help others um, in a real, positive way.
The greatest thing that I see when I talk to people out here is they learn from each other. So technicians talking to each other and learning, hey, try this way, or use this part, or jimmy the tank this way. So we've really tried to instill working together, communicating with each other, the guys talking to each other, and they learn from each other. That's one of the greatest things that we do here.
Well, the first communication, it's huge. One thing that I'm really looking forward to is the launch of our new Service Titan platform.
There's a lot of thinking on the spot to solve a problem. So we do that a lot.
So I've worked out my patience definitely. So I'm more relaxed, and not stressed out all the time. And knowing that there's, if you don't finish it at 2:30, it doesn't matter. You could stay a little extra, so you can finish the task and be more relaxed, not in a rush and hurry.
I would have to say getting around this whole computer knowledge thing, that's been kind of a hurdle for me coming in a few years back. But now, after learning, getting the practice in, whatever, things are starting to come together for me where I can do things a lot more quicker when it comes to reporting, putting up spreadsheets, etc.
Working with so many different people and different customers constantly throughout the day, and just juggling all of that information and all of the paperwork and all of the notes and different jobs, and just finding a way to kind of blend it all together to where it's not overbearing. It's good. It's a challenge, and I like that. So
Whenever I started, it was literally just me and one sales guy and the two lead techs, right? So, I mean, a lot's changed. And, we got Candace, and Candace started kicking some butt there.
I always think naturally on the type of steps I'm taking, making sure these steps are meaningful, that I'm not going back having to repeat the same thing over and over again. Um, so I learn from it, basically. Think of different ways how to make it better, you know. Um, Again, I'm always going back to the computer thing. What is it I can do, when I'm doing reports or whatever. I'm always leaning on other guys also at times.
So being prepared with the tools and the materials, and being ready to have that discussion with the customer and go over all the options and find the best possible solution. It's not always easy, but as long as you take the time, the answer will develop.
Thanks for listening, folks. We'll see you next time. Stay tuned and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our content. We know you can't get enough of Fast Water Heater. Why not follow us on Instagram, where we post daily? We're also on TikTok, because we're with it.